Hey, good morning, folks. 27th September 2025. Yet another Spiti trip. We have a group of 14 cars this time. Lovely people from Gurgaon, from Delhi, and from down south, Bangalore, Maharashtra, Vijayawada, Pune, everywhere. It's about 6:20. Another 10 minutes we are flagging off. Day one takes us through Himachal. We'll enter Himachal through Kalka, Parwanu, and then move on to Kufri. We stop for lunch. We finally proceed for the day to Rampur Bushahr, a total of around 250 plus kilometers, and it's going to take us easily about 10 hours. So, starting at 6:30 and probably reaching by 5, and that's the agenda for today. We are going to take it slow and easy today. For people, it's the first day, so I'm going to give multiple breaks. We are going to have multiple tea stops, photo ops, and so on. And I think before sundown, which has always been our criteria for a safe journey, we will end the trip at Rampur Bushahr and check in. So more to come as we go along. Thank you so much.
Heard about Spiti a lot. This is the first time we are going there. Very excited to look at the
क्लाइमेट देखने का, बाद में उधर की मोनेस्ट्री देखने का, बाद में उधर पूरा घूमने का, पूरा ऑफ रोड करने का इधर बहुत इंटरेस्ट है.
So it is a test of my patience as a driver, and also a test of my skills as a driver. So that is something I'm very looking forward. I'm excited about.
First time in a Jimny as well, so very happy to be with this group.
And also we'll be spending a night at Chandratal Lake in tented accommodation. So I'm sure that is also going to be a unique once in a lifetime experience.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
Right now we are standing over here. We just took a bio-break. I'm from Delhi. I'm traveling with my wife and also having my dog along. And my car is somewhere over there, car number 10. It's a black Jimny. So, good luck.
उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं मिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की.
This is my first expedition with Curve-Over and actually the first long expedition. I'm really enjoying it thus far. So I'm really excited and I'm very excited about this stargazing and all other related things. Very happy that I'm really enjoying this trip. Thank you. Another 1 hour to Shimla, I believe, and then the beauty would start.
इश्क में तेरे हैं फैज बने, अर्ज किया है हमने भी, लिखा कुछ तेरे बारे में है, हाथों को संभाले मेरे हाथों में, कैसे हाथों को संभाले मेरे हाथों में, जब तक नींद ना आए इन लकीरों में बातें हो है. रे सा रे गा प गा प नि सा रे प नि प गा प गा रे गे सा नि सा रे सा नि प नि सा गा रे.
So for the first time, I'm going to experience Spiti with my live eyes. So I'm pretty much excited. So yeah, till now the ride has been pretty much smooth. So I'm expecting it to be smoother up above as well. So I'm driving with my friend Kushag, and we have been swapping driving in between. So yeah, thank you.
ठंडी ठंडी नदियाँ मीठे तालों में, ये ठंडे से पहाड़ों में तो नैना रुक गए, नैना रुक गए. तेरे बाजो नहीं हो जीना, नहीं हो जीना. तेरे बाजो वादियाँ ये कह रही है, नहीं हो रहना तेरे बाजो. जिसको ढूंढा इतने बीते सालों में, हम मिलते ही पहाड़ों में तो नैना रुक गए, नैना रुक गए. There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least for most of the questions in my heart, like why are we here and where do we go, and how come it's so hard. It's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at them stars and we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Moments just might find their way into my dreams tonight. But I know that
आसमां की छत पे है अपनी दुनिया, खिलखिलाती जिसमें है अपनी खुशियाँ. चांद की छलनी लिए तारे चुनते हैं हम. जादुई है ये जहां, है नहीं कोई गम. बंदे हैं हम उसके, हम पे किसका जोर. उम्मीदों के सूरज निकले चारों ओर. इरादे हैं फौलादी, हिम्मती हर कदम, अपने हाथों किस्मत लिखने आज चले हैं हम.
Hi, this is Bandita, and this is like my first trip here with Curve Over, definitely. Since the time we got our Jimny, which is like almost a year back, we have been looking forward to join in one of the expedition, and thankfully we got this opportunity to join them.
आज भी मेरा जर्नी अच्छा होने के लिए हमें समझता है. सब ग्रुप पूरा आराम से जाने का कोशिश करना. In terms of expectations, I think drive is the way. That's the thing I want to experience the most, and so far it's been lovely. But yeah, day upwards is more interesting and yet to come. So hopeful that we get the most of what this one.
Yeah, it's a great start to a day. I'm looking forward to going to Cabo. Yesterday was very interesting.
Let's go for a little ride.
Here we go. It's the life I chose. Gunshots in the dark, one eye closed. And we got it cooking like a one-eye stove. You can catch me kissing my girl with both eyes closed. Yeah. Perfecting my passion, thanks for asking. Couldn't slow down, so we had to crash it. You use plastic, we bout cash. I see some people ahead that we gon' pass, yeah. I never fear death or dying. I only fear never trying. I am whatever I am. Only God can judge me now. One shot, everything rides on tonight. Even if I've got 3 strikes, I'ma go for it. This moment, we own it. And I'm not to be played with because it could get dangerous. See these people I ride with. This moment, we own it. And the same ones that I ride with be the same ones that I die with. Put it all out on the line with. If you're looking for me, you can find wit in the new car or the crown with. My new broad does a fine chick in the weather squad. I'm down with. Ain't no way around it. What you say? Tell me what you say. Working hard, repping for my dogs. Do this every
Like here, we are traveling in a convoy, right? And suppose the car just ahead of us, it's driving pretty slow, or the car behind us, it's kind of trying to overtake or something like that. Those kind of issues we might face, or we have faced yesterday. But still, I mean, since everyone is moving in a group, so yeah, the energy, the everything, I mean, it feels really nice.
एक बगल में चांद होगा, एक बगल में रोटियां। एक बगल में चांद होगा, एक बगल में रोटियां। एक बगल में नींद होगी, एक बगल में लोरियां। हम चांद पे रोटी की चादर डाल कर सो जाएंगे और नींद से कह देंगे लोरी कल सुनाने आएंगे।
ये वादियाँ, ये फिजाएं बुला रही हैं तुम्हें। ये वादियाँ, ये फिजाएं बुला रही हैं तुम्हें। खामोशियों की सदाएं बुला रही हैं तुम्हें। ये वादियाँ, ये फिजाएं बुला रही हैं तुम्हें। मचल मचल के हवाएं बुला रही है तुम्हें। मचल मचल के हवाएं बुला रही है तुम्हें। खामोशियों की सदाएं।
And it's been more than pleasant surprise for us that so many of us share a same enthusiasm towards car, especially Jimneys. One hell of a ride, till now, and looking forward to have some more.
चल पड़ो तो कितना छू लूं मैं इतना करे चल पड़ो तो कितना दूर सपनों का बुना स्वेटर सवार सफेद बादलों के पार मेरा जहां धीरे चलना है मुश्किल तो जल्दी ही सही आँखों के किनारों में बहाने ही सही हम चले बहारों में गुनगुनाती राहों में धड़कने भी तेज है अब क्या करें वक्त है तो जीने दे दर्द है तो सीने दे ख्वाहिशें अनजान है अब क्या करें.
Good morning, folks. Today is 29th, our third day, starting the third day for the expedition. We started from Rampur yesterday. So after the first day of very horrible broken roads till Rampur and a 12-hour journey, yesterday was a pleasant surprise. The roads through Kinnaur and up till Tabo were really nice. People got their first taste of how the mountains look like, how the Spiti Valley looks like. And we are now at Tabo. It's 29th morning and we are on our way to Kaza. We will end the day today at Losar after going through the Hikkim post office and the Chicham bridge. So far it's been a smooth sailing. People have really enjoyed the outdoors. And many of them who have never even seen these great big Himalayas are just awestruck at the wonder. And overall, yes, it's been good. We have had water. It's very, very pleasant. It's 13 degrees out here in the morning at 7, which is very, very rare. You know, you usually have it come down to less than 10. But gods have been great and they have been favorable. So I hope it stays that way. More to come.
शब्दों के पहाड़ों पे लिखी है दास्तां ख्वाबों के लिफाफों में छुपा चले बहारों में गुनगुनाती राहों में, धड़कने भी तेज हैं अब क्या करें। ओ वक्त है तो जीने दे, दर्द है तो सीने दे, ख्वाहिशें अनजान है अब क्या करें।
बहुत ही बढ़िया सीनरी है, काफ़ी आउटवर्डली एक्सपीरियंस है, बहुत डिफरेंट फीलिंग है। फिर से आने का पक्का मन है फैमिली के साथ, और फिर से गर्वर के साथ तो आना ही है ही, मानिक सर के साथ। आई होप ये छुट्टी थोड़ा और एक्सटेंड हो, बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है।
with my passion of off-roading, which got bite me in recent times, is an excellent place to be in. And the able leadership of Mr. Manik, who has guided the entire tour with his meticulous, everything has been spot on, nothing to worry. Everybody should do it once in a life, this kind of expedition, to keep the free himself or herself and out the soul. This is the best expedition I have ever done.
Yeah, good afternoon from this highest post office.
What is the date today? I don't know. And what is the day of our expedition? I don't know. But all I know is right now we are at Hikkim.
it's a working, functioning post office, and from here, it feels so good that I can send a letter to my loved one, to my wife at home, and it will reach her before I reach home. So it feels really wonderful, and I think she will be very happy that she's still getting a handwritten letter.
लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए। सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए। लिखे जो खत तुझे।
All 14 chimneys over here came perfectly fine. And by the way, there are two roads that come to Sikkim. One is a proper metalled Pakka road and one is a rough, bumpy road. Because we were all on chimneys, we took the rough road. It was a bloody beautiful drive.
As your heart shows only time. Who can say why your heart sighs as your love lies only time? And who can say why your heart cries when your love lies only Who can say when the roads meet that love might be in your heart? And who can say when the day sleeps if the night keeps all your heart? Night keeps all your
सो सवाल ये है, ऋषभ बहुत बड़े फूडी है, उनको खाना पीना बहुत पसंद है, तो आपकी सबसे फेवरेट डिश कौन सी है?
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी। मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख
शौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा, रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा। चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा, रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा। आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा, स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा। चाहिए नान या रोटी, चाहिए रान या बोटी, मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए।
And after this we are heading to Chacham Bridge, and we are ready to capture some very fantabulous photos.
this is the Cheecham Bridge. This is the highest suspension bridge in all of Asia. Such a big thing, right? And the ride to here was also really good. Frankly, I mean, it's getting better day by day. First day, okay. Second day, good. Today, amazing, amazing. You have mountains here, you have valleys here. There's a gorge here. Perfect. I can't ask for anything more. बढ़िया, मजा आ गया.
आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मुझे यकीन हो गया, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ये दिल यहीं खो गया.
गिरा गिरा है चांदिया, तेरी है रोशनी, उड़ी उड़ी सी है.
In the evening, I'm told that we'll have a view of the galaxy available from between 9 to about 10. So we hope to capture that and show you some really mesmerizing views in the night. Good morning, folks. Our media team has caught me just as I got up today morning and having tea. We are at Losar. We reached here at around 5 in the evening yesterday. So far the drive has been really good. People have really enjoyed. The views of the Spiti Valley along the river yesterday were mesmerizing. Today I have given them some more time to sleep. We have a very short distance, ideally about only 2 hours, but being in a convoy will take around 3 to 4 hours. We are going to go to Chandratal. As you can see, the weather is absolutely clear. We had a cold night yesterday, but it wasn't as cold as Losar is usually. It's been warm, and I think we will be going to Kunzum, spend some time at the top, and then proceed to Chandratal today. I hope that people get to relax and enjoy nature at the lake, and then we'll proceed next day to Jispa. That's about the plan that we have till right now.
छोड़ा है जहान नीचे मैं तुम्हारे अब हूँ हवाले अब दूर दूर लोग
We started with straight roads and we've been on curves the last few days, and now I feel like I don't want these curves to ever end because it's brought us here to this beautiful sunshine just in the middle of nowhere. It's so peaceful. Wish we could stay here forever.
मिट्टी जैसे सपने ये किताबी पलकों से झाड़ो फिर आ जाते हैं इतने सारे सपने क्या कहूँ किस तरह से मैंने छोड़े
Going solo, I can't enjoy the view, I can't look around because I have to focus on the road. So that's the one disadvantage of not having company and riding solo. But
उड़े खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ खुली है जो पर कहे ये नजर लगता है अब है जाके हम फिक्री जो थी पीछे रह गई निकले उनसे आगे हम हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी ओहो
थिंक जो एक्सपेक्टेड था उससे भी ज़्यादा सुंदर है। स्नो पीक एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किए थे, सबने बोला था काफ़ी धूप रहती है तो तब तक सब पिघल जाएगा, बट हवा है, स्नो पीक्स है, राइड अच्छी है, रास्ते बेकार है बट गाड़ी अच्छी है तो
जो भी हो सो उड़े खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ किसी ने छुआ तो ही हुआ फिरते हैं महके हम हुई है कई बातें नहीं जब है ऐसे बहके हम हुआ है यूं कि दिल पिघल गए बस एक पल में हम बदल गए ओहो अब तो
Good afternoon, guys. We have just reached Andartal base camps. We are staying at Pemathang camps. All these campsites that you see are booked by us. Just had tea. We will now be proceeding for lunch, and then after lunch, another 3 kilometers up on my left, and we'll go and visit the beautiful Chandratal Lake. They have done a good job. We have a dining room here and all the individual campsites. People are helping us to take the luggage in, and we've been served very nice cardamom tea when we arrived. I think that's what we can expect. It's more than a luxury to have these kind of facilities in such remote areas. All of us have been doing well. Today morning we had a few cases of people having a headache or nausea and all, but as the day progressed and once they were all active, it is all back to normal. Losar and Chandratal are approximately at the same height. So, you know, as you come from Tabo, Kunzum, you usually get acclimatized. But take it slow. Take at least 2-3 days to reach here also, so that you shouldn't have a severe AMS develop or set in. And more to come in the evening. We'll show you some real nice galaxy views. Our media team is an expert on that, so hoping to see that.
तो मेरी इच्छा है कि यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा वाइल्ड ईगल दिख जाए या फिर पता नहीं लेपर्ड है भी कि नहीं, बट कोई भी वाइल्ड लाइफ दिख जाए आई बी वेरी हैप्पी। तो इसीलिए पूरा किट लेके घूम रहा हूँ।
Right now we are having lunch, and the plan is now we all drive about, like I said, that side around 5 kilometers. We park our vehicles and then go to the lake.
yeah, I finished visiting Chandratal, nice blue waters, and I enjoyed it. Took a couple of pictures as keepsakes, and it's very nice to hear the sound of this stream. Very nice, gentle sound, Of course, going up and down is a little tiring, but if one does it at their own pace, it's okay.
अभी इधर हमें चंद्रताल लेक देखने के लिए आए हैं। इधर बहुत सुंदर है।
छरेरी धूप है तू करारी शाम, दिल कहे बर्बाद हो जा लेके तेरा नाम।
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பேர் சிவராகுல். நான் சென்னையிலேருந்து வரேன். இது என்னுடைய கர்பவர் அண்ட் ஸ்பிட்டியோடைய ஃபஸ்ட்டு ட்ரிப்பு. எனக்கு இந்த அனுபவம் வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக மகிழ்ச்சியாக மனசுக்கு ரொம்ப நிறைவாக இருக்குது. இந்த டெம்பரேச்சரும் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ரொம்ப குளுன்னு ரொம்ப இதாக இருந்துச்சு. ஐ மீன் ரொம்ப சில்லுன்னு இருந்தது. ஸோ ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். கர்பவருக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி இந்த அனுபவத்தை கொடுத்ததுக்கு.
हाँ नाइस। यस्टरडे इधर बहुत कोल्ड है, ऑलमोस्ट -5 से -4 से -5 तक है। इधर नींद आने के भी ऑक्सीजन प्रॉब्लम बहुत प्रॉब्लम करता है, बाद में हेडेक भी होता है। इधर देखो क्लाइमेट, हमें चंद्रताल लेक पास है, इधर कैंपिंग में हमें रात सो गया। इधर नींद आने का भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम करता है। एक क्लाइमेट तो बहुत कोल्ड वेदर है इधर।
Being down south, everything is so at what shall we say, room temperature, and here when we come, the climate, the scenery, oh my god, it's breathtaking. You really feel humbled when you meet these majestic mountains.
Have you noticed that you don't remember how many days or what date it is? Right?
Don't remember.
That typically happens because you lose track of time and you lose track of the recent. कल यहाँ था कि परसों वहाँ था, that way. Good morning folks, it is 8 o'clock. I would suggest please pack up your stuff, load in the cars and come for breakfast. We will try to leave by 9. You have 1 hour to gather your belongings, put them in the car. Also please try and start the cars and leave them idling for around 10 minutes before we start.
Finally, we are back to civilization, eating some food.
అందరికీ నమస్తే అండి. మేము ఇక్కడ కర్బోవర్ గ్రూప్ బెంగళూరు నుంచి దాదాపు 14 వెహికల్స్ సుజుకి జిమ్నీ వెహికల్స్లో మా కర్బోవర్ గ్రూప్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వచ్చాము. హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్ స్పితి వ్యాలీ, మళ్ళీ హిక్కిం వరల్డ్ హైయెస్ట్ పోస్ట్ ఆఫీస్, మరి ఇక్కడ చీచం బ్రిడ్జ్ వరల్డ్ హైయెస్ట్ ఏషియాస్ హైయెస్ట్ హ్యాంగింగ్ బ్రిడ్జ్ ఇన్ చీచం. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ అడ్వెంచర్ కోసం వచ్చామండి, ఓవర్ ల్యాండింగ్ కోసము. దాదాపు 14 వెహికల్స్ ఇక్కడ కన్వే నడుస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ చాలా బాగా అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేసినారు మాకందరికి. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఏమంటే మీరు వరల్డ్ రిస్కియెస్ట్ రోడ్స్ అండి ఇక్కడ.
Hey, good evening. Finally, we have reached Jispa. After a grueling 8 hours on the Spiti trail, we finally hit tarmac near Atal. Lovely roads all the way till Jispa. People are just checking in. It has been a really lovely day, and we've made good time. So it's 5:20, and tomorrow morning we climb Shinkula and spend the day at Gombaranjan. And tonight we have a campfire and time to relax, take a bath, get back into civilization.
चना दे दिसे खुली यार दी घड़िया घड़िया आवे घड़िया रात हनेरी नदी ठाठा मार दी अड़िए अड़िए आनी अड़िए पार चना दे दिसे खुली यार दी.
So अभी हम लोग पद्मा लॉज जिस्पा से निकल रहे हैं. We're all ready and our next destination is Shinkula Pass and Gombaranjan, जिसके बारे में मैंने कोई रिसर्च नहीं किया है because I wanted that place to be a surprise for me. So I'm really excited to see where are we heading to. Yay, let's go!
Another different thing is like in Spiti we see mountains with purple color soil or something. Now we'll be entering the Zanskar Valley, and here we have heard that every mountain has a different shade. It is much more. It is even more beautiful than what we have already seen so far. So we are very much excited to go.
So guys, Team Kobover has made it to the Shinkula Pass, and this is unbelievable, totally worth not knowing what's ahead. So this is amazing, and just like that we're proceeding to Gomboranjan. So I'm still excited to see what's there, because as I said before, I have no clue what is ahead. It's all a surprise for me. Yay, let's go!
पैसेंजर से पूछिए, हाउ वाज इट?
Man, awesome!
Gomboranjan! Woo! So we finally made it to the Gomboranjan mountains, this holy divine beauty, and I'm going down right in front of it and thanking it for keeping my Kerbover family safe.
This is one of those places where you just kind of had to be here to believe what this is like. I really have no words to describe what this is like. But yeah, this is, it's very serene, it's very beautiful.
मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया.
And we are having a fantastic time today here. We had a serious amount of off-roading. We went into the stream. We did the off-roading track. We experienced a lot today. We also passed through Shinkula, and the holy mountain of Gomboranjan is behind us. We are all excited to be here, and thanks to the Kerbover team.
सपनों में मेरे वो रोज आता और जाता है, संग वो अपने मुझको भी रोज बुलाता है.
मोहब्बत हो जरूरी तो नहीं, एक सी दोनों की
मैं गाड़ी की तरफ जा रहा हूँ और मैं देख रहा हूँ मानिक फटाफट से सारा सामान गाड़ी का निकाल के ऐसे से कर रहा है. इसे पता नहीं क्या हो गया. मैं क्या इसे पता नहीं क्या हो गया. So suddenly I hear a hissing and a crackling kind of a sound, just like an electrical short circuit.
तीन टायर फटे. मैं ऐसे स्टेरिंग छोड़ के ऐसे बैठी हूँ, इसको पकड़ के. अरे इधर पकड़ छोड़ता नहीं है. And I'm driving at the same time I'm crying. Tears all over. He's like, don't.
फनी इंसिडेंट तो नहीं था, इंसिडेंट था आज का. पहली बार ऑफ रोडिंग, मैंने कहा हम भी ट्राई कर लें. क्या बात, फंसा भी दे.
And Ashu was panicking. ये क्या कर दिया, मैं जा रही हूँ.
So he was constantly honking. एक टर्न आया तो हॉन्क होना ही चाहिए. एक ही टर्न नहीं था वो पूरे दिन रामपुर बुसर से जब तो निकले हॉर्न नहीं बजा, और ऐसा हॉर्न की मतलब पूरा आगे तक. इस कार नंबर 5 तो कार नंबर 4, 3, 2, 1 सबका काम उसमें ही हो जाता था. तो बाद में मुझे रोक के बोलता है, यार लोग सर आप ठीक नहीं चले थे, आप हॉर्न ही नहीं बजाते.
एक सी दोनों की हालत हो जरूरी तो नहीं, उनको भी.
Okay, guys, I just wanted to, just a word of appreciation for all of you having the trust in me to come on this trip. I know it's been ups and downs, and we've had some unfortunate incidents, but this is all part of the incident. I think once we cross school and college days, we don't really make any new friends, and this gives us an opportunity to make real strong relationships and friends, and that's what I've always found, right? So in every group, in every expedition that I've done, the group that has come along, continue this relationship. I don't delete the groups. So, we will keep posting and we will keep, remembering each other, leaning on each other's shoulders as we go along, right? So this group has now, I believe, I think and I wish that they have made really new friends for life. And these friends are coming without any malice. You can depend on these guys, you can depend on each other, and they'll always stand by you, right? So that's what these expeditions bring along, apart from whatever you've experienced, right? So from a novice driver, you've become a properly trained guy. You've gone through incidents. We have 2 PhDs also, right? So they will never forget, and you'll have stories to go back and tell, right? And you will also be able to share these experiences with your family and with your friends, and and learn from them, right? So that's most important. And once again, thanks you, for all the trust that you had, that you committed to this expedition and that you came. And I look forward to many more expeditions like this, right? So as a small, I would like to, give you a small,
Thank you, sir.
it's a certificate of achievement for all of you who have contributed to this, expedition, right? It's a certificate of achievement. Pataudi sahab, Sharma sahab, well done. Sani sahab, Eddie certificate. Yeah. Yours and ma'am, yours. Yeah.
A little sweet, a little sour, a little close, not too far. A little sweet, a little sour, a little close, not too far. All I need, all I need, all I need is to be free.
We had a very cold night, but we all were together and we had a campfire, some good music, bonded over a little alcohol that kept us warm. And yeah, we had the curb over closing ceremony, and it was really a memorable trip. That's what I'll say, because we're on the second last day. We'll be beginning to ascend and probably shedding clothes off as we ascend. Descend. I'm still on the ascend, or let's go more ahead.
The roads are still getting opened. They are still not really all the best, especially Manali left bank and right bank are both under construction. But the traffic is slowing, so I don't anticipate anything else except some inconvenience due to slow moving traffic. So far everything's okay. Nobody has had any medical issues, and I don't anticipate any issues going forward also, because we've been through the worst now. More to come from GB then. Thank you.
तुझको ना पाऊं, बातों में तेरी मैं रातें बिताऊं, होठों पे लम्हा लम्हा है
है नाम तेरा है, तुझको ही गाऊं मैं, तुझको पुकारूं। सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है, मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है।
This is the first time that I will be driving to the Atal tunnel. It was, I think, it is a 9-kilometer long tunnel. It was opened for traffic in, I think, 2020. So after finally 5 years, I will be able to pass through it.
कभी काली रतियाँ, कभी दिन सुहाने, किस्मत की बातें तो किस्मत ही जाने। ओ बेटा जी, ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबूजी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी। बड़ी अकड़ से बेटा निकले घर से एक्टर होने, बाहरी किस्मत किस्मत में थे लिखे बर्तन धोने, अरे भाई लिखे बर्तन धोने। ओ बेटा जी, जीने का मजा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबूजी।
सो हम लोग फाइनली पहुंच गए हैं जीबी एंड बहुत ही टफ ड्राइव था, बट थ्रू आउट द टफनेस ऑल्सो वी रियली एंजॉयड, वी क्रैक्ड अ लॉट ऑफ जोक्स एंड I didn't expect कि we'll have another round of bonfire, but yes, it is happening under the moonlight and यहाँ पे there is water flowing. It's just so magical.
आज तो कमाल था, वो भी नाइट ऑफ रोडिंग was first time in the life. Amazing, so many patches, so many traffic jams, but still it was amazing. The place, the food, the weather, everything is amazing. No complaints today.
More troublesome is the glare, you know, the headlights. A lot of people drive with high beam on, but overall it was great fun.
தென்கிழக்கு தேன் சிட்டு செம்பருத்தி பூ மொட்டு செல்லம் கொஞ்சுதே தாலாட்ட.
Hey, good morning, folks. We are at Bradi Resorts, GB. Reached here after an exhilarating drive, night off-roading, all the way from Ott to GB. The roads were a mess because of the monsoon. We encountered some 7-8 massive landslide and 2 traffic jams. But I think whatever the team learned during the last 4 or 5 days during the Spiti was, put to test. And I congratulated every one of them on reaching this place safely. It's a very nice place. You can smell the pine. The mountain air is so fresh and the weather is just excellent. So we had a very nice bonfire last evening. And today I think would be the second last day of our expedition. We will be heading out to Chail now. Another 7 hours drive. And we will be crossing over the famous Jalori Pass. But yes, we have a long distance to cover today as well. So I'll check in again with you at Chal. Thank you.
कल की जर्नी बहुत ही मज़ेदार रही। हमको लगता है कि मानिक सर कुछ बताते नहीं स्टार्टिंग में, इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ एंड में रख देते हैं। इट वाज एन इंटरेस्टिंग क्लाइम, काफ़ी ट्रैफिक जैम था, एवरीवन स्टक टुगेदर, हेल्प ईच अदर आउट।
செடி முளைக்கும் நான் பூவாக வெயில் அடிக்கும் நாள் வரைக்கும் கொடை பிடிப்பேன் உன் தாயாக நீ நீ சொல்லும் கதை நான் நான் கேட்கும் வர நாமாவும் மாய பறவைகளே தென்கிழக்கு தேன் சிட்டு செம்பருத்தி பூ முட்டு செல்லம் கொஞ்சுதே தாலாட்ட
Who will not miss this kind of environment, climate, nature? In my backdrop, the clouds, the hills, I'm already missing it. This coming Monday, I should be in office. Yeah. Thanks for everything. I'm grateful and regards for this, nature. Beautiful, wonderful experience with.
Yes, car 10, you can roll after car 9, please. Come. Car 12 and then car 14. You're all lined up, okay.
I really don't know if this is a start of something, but it actually is the end of our drive. The last 9 days we've been together, the Kawava family, and now we are here in Chel, and it's really, I'm somebody who's very emotional, so it's going to be really tough for me to move on from these 9 days that we had.
The first, I would like to talk about the trail which we have been undertaken. The trail from Lozar to Chandratal was very tough, and even up to the Chandratal lake was also very good. And the most challenging part which I found in my Jimny, self-driven, was at Gomboranjan, which was out of the world experience for me, engaging 4H and 4L. So if you want me, this was an event which has brought not me into the off-roading, but it has increased my confidence that I can do any particular kind of challenge later on.
We came to, at least I learned a lot about my Jimny, what are its limitations, how I can exploit the Jimny. So these are something that I didn't know before. Although I had the vehicle with me for more than a year, I never used it to the extent that I did it this time.
But I didn't want to do it alone.
So then I had a discussion with him. मैंने पूछा चलेगा? So he took some time and eventually he said yes चलेंगे. And yeah, it started. Or to be very honest, I feel that I'm a better driver now. I know my Jimny much more. I went through a lot of YouTube tutorials trying to understand कि क्या चीज़ क्या है, but they were all haywire. When I came here or when I experienced it firsthand, it completely changed the game for me. And the icing on the top, I'm into astrophotography or astro. पता ही है कि it has to be done in a almost zero light pollution वाला चीज़, and I actually got one luckily.
So I'm Alok, this is Shantanu, and this is Rushabh. They are both my co-drivers in car number 4 for our expedition. Yeah? You don't see?
Not equal code, right?
Okay.
No,
so-
not fairly distributed. This is how the majority of it.
Yeah, so okay, 50% I am the driver, and then the rest 25 split between my co-drivers. So Shantanu is my school friend right from nursery KG, and Rushabh is Shantanu's brother-in-law. So I bought the Jimny just in 3 to 4 months ago, and after that I was aware, I got to know about this group that is Curve Over, which is a Jimny owners group. So I joined it, and there was news of this expedition. So I immediately signed up to it and asked Shantanu, and he just jumped it. He was like so ready that I told him that we need to be 10 cars at least so that this expedition goes ahead. Until then, like 6-7 people had confirmed, but it was yet to reach 10. But within, like, I think just after I told it, within 10 to 15 years, already booked the flight tickets and all that. So it was like, I don't care, man. Even if the expedition doesn't go ahead, we are going alone. That's it.
Whenever someone signs for a Spiti, it's an expedition, it's not a road trip, not just any other road trip. It tests your patience, it tests everything, it splits you. Spiti splits you mentally and physically. So therefore, what's most important is trust. The first one is trust in yourself and if you're in your partner, because either one gives up midway, that's the end of the story. The second thing is trust in the vehicle. Okay, the vehicle which will take you there and bring you back safely, and that was Jimny. So, and the third one is the trust in the leader. The leader here is Curve Over and Mr. Manek and his team.
It's a highly underrated, but it's very underrated, but it's a highly capable vehicle, and I found out why. I mean, I found out practically why. We had Manik sir explaining how to, like, in which gear we need to be and everything. So it was like kind of a learner's course for everyone, right from beginner. We started as beginners in the valley, and now we feel that we are expert and we can handle any terrain. So, I mean, there are just so many things that I could say that we experienced. We've met such wonderful people in the group. We have people right from 20 years of age to 60 years of age, and we just gelled together. It felt like we know each other since so many years, but it was only because our passion for our car, a passion for off-road and passion for our car, the love for our cars.
So I have absolutely zero knowledge of cars. So not just off-roading, but I know nothing about cars in general. So I was only here purely to support my dad in his first expedition, because I've seen him over the last 2 years spruce up his Jimny, research every little modification, and spend hours just watching videos of off-roading and kind of learn everything theoretically. So this was his first time actually putting it all in practice. So I was here more in a supportive role and to try to document the whole process, take pictures, all of that. And I thought it would be a one-off thing for me, but I've enjoyed myself so much on this trip that I know this will be a regular thing that I would like to be a part of on any future expeditions that he decides to undertake.
I don't know where to start, but actually I am a person who hates expedition kind of ideas. So when the way he said it, I jumped at it. There's a reason behind it, because I had already said no to multiple expeditions because I don't enjoy the long drives and not actually doing a sightseeing. So I usually prefer going somewhere, staying there for a long time, and shorter the travel much better for me. But this is something when he said okay, बहुत बार मना कर दिया अभी ये तो जाना ही चाहिए. So I was like okay fine, whatever happens I'm still going. And I see why I didn't like it, because I've never traveled with a group that has this common shared passion. The way I see every member of this group crazy about their car. They actually love their car. They take care of it so well. It's like their personal, family member. And
Excited था 4x4 लगाने के लिए. He was asking Manik again and again.
अब लगाना है.
अब लगाना है क्या? अब लगाना है क्या? So, like he was pretty much happy. Like 4x4, he completely drove it. He didn't give it to me. At some point.
कोइंसिडेंस था भाई. मिल जाता तुझे भी. कोइंसिडेंस आ
At some
गया.
point in time, he gave me, तू चला के देख 4x4 क्या सुंदर चलता है.
And I've been given a title कि मैं सबसे गंदी गाड़ी वही चलाता हूँ. तो yeah, it was fun and I take that title with pride. और yeah, somebody said.
Not only you, I was also there.
He was also there.
Noticed.
कार नंबर 9 सबसे गंदी गाड़ी चलती, सबसे तेज कार नंबर 9 and कार नंबर 6.
I've been in the mountains, but this time when we went to Zanskar,
Oh, yeah.
oh man,
He
I
lost
was,
it.
I lost it, man. I was
गाड़ी
like
से निकाल के
Eddie.
ऊपर चढ़ गया वो.
I was like Eddie to talk. I put my mouth out, head out. I was just enjoying the place. I didn't think it would surprise me earlier, but yeah, when we went
हाँ.
there, I simply
Yeah, we've traveled around quite a bit, different countries में, different setups में, similar terrains में. But I think this expedition was something very different.
So today we are at Chail, 5th October, and इस टाइम वेदर ऐसा हो रहा है as if यहाँ पे is going to snow. Prediction भी ऐसा ही था. Weather is lovely, थोड़ी ठंड भी हो गई है. It's the last day of our trip. Ready with curve over jackets, going home back. So let me start with my introduction. I am T.S. Saini and I'm traveling here with my wife and my furry baby Eddie. You must have seen Eddie in several of the videos before this. Eddie is somewhere over here walking and enjoying the beautiful lawns. आज हो गया 5th October morning. We started with 13 cars and about 25 members. पहले दिन we hardly knew each other and today we were almost like a family. Curve Over has always been a family, but ये जो bonding है, this is something different. Traveling with friends for about 7 to 10 days, eating together, driving together. When we drive in a convoy, though there is a particular sequence, but kabhi on mountains the sequence is not followed. Sometimes you drive behind someone else, sometimes you drive in front of someone else. Sequence change karte and then you are able to see how and talk to the other person. It was a totally different experience, and now in about half an hour or so, most of us would leave and reach our homes, destinations, taking back several of our memories, pictures. Pretty excited to meet friends and family and उनको अपने incidents narrate करें, अपनी pictures दिखाएं.
We are here at the fag end of our journey, and it's a very emotional moment for me because it's not the goodbyes that hurt. It's the flashback, that keep coming back and keep reminding us. So, yeah, thank you very much, and hoping all of you a very safe journey and ahead.
Good morning, folks. Last day of the expedition today. Lovely weather. If you can see in the camera, I don't know if it is able to capture also or not. It's about 4 degrees, foggy, rainy. And this was the only last weather that we hadn't encountered till now. But today, being the last day, we have been blessed by the gods. We have a very fantastic view. You can probably see all the fog and the clouds and the rain, and maybe hear the pitter patter of the rain also. All's well. We've half of our group has already left. They had early flights to catch. I'll be leading the last convoy out, which is about 6 or 7 people. All I can say is that God has been great. It's His blessings that we've been able to complete this yet another expedition safely and successfully. And I'm looking forward to many more of these with our group members and you, of course. Thank you. Good morning, folks. Manik reporting from Chail, the weather report. बंद कर, कट कर, दोबारा करता हूँ।
अरे ओ बाबूजी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी